Looking for new lenses? You're in the right place. Brian here. Let me help you find the right pair. Revant lenses come in 3 tiers: standard non-polarized, standard polarized, and SpectraBoost. Standard non-polarized lenses are a great option for day in and day out wear. They're a premium lens with everyday comfort and clarity that provide true-to-life color representation. Standard polarized lenses offer the same clarity and comfort as our non-polarized lenses, but includes a filter that cuts glare from reflective surfaces like water, glass, or asphalt. By eliminating glare, they reveal a deeper and richer color. Polarized lenses might not be a great option for people who look at digital screens such as cameras or tablets, and many athletes prefer to stay away from polarized lenses because they can mask slippery surfaces. SpectraBoost lenses are for people who are trying to get the most out of their sunglasses. They're our most advanced technology and are offered in polarized and non-polarized options. SpectraBoost lenses enhance the natural color of the world around you by filtering out overlapping wavelengths of light. This makes it easier for you to distinguish colors and results in better contrast and more vibrant colors. All Revant replacement lenses are made with high-grade optical polycarbonate, which is impact resistant and blocks 100% of UV light. And as always, all Revant lenses are easy to swap, guaranteed to fit, and backed by our 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our support team and they'll be happy to help.